Hi guys, Avis here from That's How We Roll podcast. I'm here at Bar Convent Brooklyn 2024. This is going to be bigger and better than ever. 2024, baby. Let's go inside and check out all the newcomers to returning favorites.
Tigresa, back at it again at BCB. Today we'll be featuring one of Juan Ho's cocktail, the Emperor Margarita, made with Ojo de Tigre, some Alma Finca, which is an orange liqueur from the Yucatan, some Ancho Reyes, a lemongrass cordial that he created, some chili oil, and now some mixology and fun at the same time. So, Juan Ho comes all the way from Chicago. He's an amazing mixologist at Maple and Ash, so now you know where to find these cocktails. In case you didn't know, Ojo de Tigre is a blend of two agaves. We have Espadín coming from Oaxaca, Tetobala coming from Puebla, and it's all blended together. So here's your Emperor Margarita. Enjoy.
Hi guys, can you believe that at Bar Convent Brooklyn, I found Lui? Lui is the master of the best tequilas around. So if you haven't followed him, follow him. Lui, tell them what your Instagram is.
It's Lui Fern, Luifern.
And he does not lie. He makes the best choices. So follow Lui. Cheers.